Hold up, as I'm talking, I see my size right here.
I went to all of the Nike outlets in my area and found some of the craziest sneaker deals that I have ever found.
Well, 40% off the entire world today. That's crazy. I've never seen it that low before. That's nuts. We might have to grab something if we can find something good. I guess if I'm gonna grab a personal, I should probably check my size because that's where stuff is gonna be that I can rock. We got some Fly Ease ones. We got some Dunk mids, 40% off, 115. Not bad. We've got some Giannis Immortality 3s. Good on those. Some LeBron 4s in the all black colorway. 40% off, 239. We got some Dunk lows to be true to your schools for 115. That's crazy, plus 40% off. That's like 40 bucks off of these. That might be a pickup just because that deal is ridiculous. I actually might have to grab these. Dunk mids in a size 8. Those look bigger than a size 8. You know what, I'm gonna grab these just because that price is ridiculous. Let's see what else we got here. We got some Dunk highs. Not bad, I actually really like these a lot. These are pretty clean, but it's something that I need. Oh, we got some Jordan 1s. What size? 7.5. I can't pull them out because they're behind the sign, but Jordan 1 Comforts, I think. They're cool. Oh wait, here we go. So wait, these are 115 down to like 70 bucks. That's ridiculous. Yeah, we're definitely grabbing these. That's insane. I'm gonna have to grab more than just this, to be honest with you. Okay, hopefully we can find something else in my size. I can't believe it. This price is, I'm having trouble holding the box. This price is crazy. Is there anything else? I don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Hold on, we got some Jordan 2s in the size 9. Oh, size 9. Oh, size 9 men's. 139. What's 139 on the chart? Let's see, 83 bucks. Yo, I'm gonna have to check these out really quick. Quick promo, this video is sponsored by ARBIT. ARBIT allows you to check the prices of all the resale platforms in one app at once. It's amazingly useful, and it's super useful when you're doing things like trying to find sneakers at the outlet to see if you're actually getting a good deal. So I'm actually gonna check out the prices of both of these guys and see if we're getting a good deal on these guys with 40% off, which I think that we probably are, but let's double check.
If you're looking to buy any pair of sneakers for resale, ARBIT is the first place that you should go, because what ARBIT does is it takes the prices from every single resale site, combines them into one page, and allows you to see which place has the best price all at once. For me, this is huge because I go thrifting and I go outlet shopping all the time, and I want to make sure that I'm getting good deals on whatever it is that I'm buying, and ARBIT allows me to do that in seconds versus checking every single website like I had to before. Not only that, ARBIT just introduced a new feature which predicts the resale price of each sneaker, so if you're not sure if a sneaker is going to go up in value or down in value, ARBIT offers a pretty solid prediction as to which way the sneaker is going to go in price. Plus, the app allows you to track certain sneakers that you love, so you know whether it's a good time to buy the sneakers or a bad time based on the prices.
All right, so ARBIT's already saving me money because I checked out the 2s, 139, now 83. They go for exactly 83 online, so it's not worth it because you gotta pay tax and things like that. And then the Dunks are what? 15, 71, so they're actually a little bit cheaper. So the Dunks actually might be a good deal. Maybe saving 5 bucks.
ARBIT is a free app, so you definitely need to check it out through the links in the top of the description below. I absolutely recommend it, and I use it all the time. So huge thank you once again to ARBIT for sponsoring today's video.
Okay, so on this wall, we've got Jordan 1s, the elephant prints in a size 17. Okay, now we're over at the refurbished section. Nike Air Prestos in a size 12. That's a cool tie-dye colorway for 68. Unfortunately, nothing really in refurbished today that I'm seeing. We got some Jason Tatum 2s, even though they just came out. That's size 12.5 though, so that kind of makes sense. But still, kind of crazy. I feel like they made the wall smaller. Maybe this store is just smaller than the other Nike outlets that I go to, but anything else in this wall I should check out? What are these? Initiators? I'm good on those. We got LeBron graffitis for $239 plus 40% off. That's insane. What a crazy price. Let me actually check these guys out in ARBIT really quick to see if they're worth it. So not a terrible deal because these go for about $149 after the 40% discount, and that's what they go for online, around $144. So definitely worth it if you're planning to wear personally, but not worth it for any other reason. But still, cool to see these guys. It's crazy to see them sitting. We've also got the FaZe LeBrons right here and some other LeBron colorways. Over here in the Jordan section, we've got the maroon ones, now down to $139. What a great price. We've got the mauve ones down to $119, also a great price. Is that my wife's size? No. We've got these Jordan 1 lows, $109. We've got these Jordan 7s for $149. Not bad. Jordan 2s for $69, additional 40% off. Actually, I wonder if that's 40% off that or if that's additional 40% off the already $69, because if that's the case, that might be worth it. On for today, we've got the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines. There's some pretty good stuff here today, man. I can't lie. We got some elephant print ones for $109. Oh man, I wish these were a men's size. These are so clean. I love these. We got the pralines right here for $129, not bad. Oh wow, got the black cement 2s for $74. That's a pretty solid price. It's like, I mean, it's half. Well, just over half, but still. Let's check the women's refurbished section, see if we can find anything worthwhile. We got some Jordan Sophia slides. Never seen these before. These are actually kind of cool. These are my wife's size. I grab them. These are actually men's size 7.5. Oh wow, look at these Are these Infinity runs? Invincible runs, sorry. Wow, that colorway is crazy. Is this like a custom? Nike refurbished. Run Nike by You, this is a Nike by You. What a wild looking Nike by You. I actually kind of dig that. Let's see what they have in the leftover section. We've got some Air Maxes for 119, big size. We got some Jordan 1 white and golds. Ooh, what are these? Color Migration. Huh, okay, well, pink and green. Dunks, we got some blue and yellow. We got the green glow ones and the Halloween Dunk Highs. Wow, nothing really I want, but interesting to see what's sitting and what's been returned.
All right, so first stop down, and we got some deals. As you guys saw, I grabbed the Nike Dunk Low Be True to Your Schools in my size, a size 9, and I grabbed it for an incredible price. These guys retailed for $115, but because they were 40% off the wall, I actually got them for $69. For a brand new pair of Dunks, which yes, probably has been tried on because the laces are tied, but still, brand new, essentially. And of course, huge thank you to ARBIT because I was able to check to see if the price was actually worth it. Because obviously there's sneakers like this you can buy on the resale market for probably a similar price, but you end up paying shipping and fees and things like that. So to get this for $69 in person, it's probably the best deal you're gonna get. This Mystic Red colorway is clean. It's not really a combination that you see that often on sneakers. It's sort of like dark olive green and red, so I'm into it. And for 69 bucks, you can't turn down a pair of Dunks. Like, that's an insane price. Okay, on to the next outlet.
Oh, they still got the off-whites here. For, $169. Not bad. Full size one, too. When I grabbed my pair like a week and a half ago, I pulled it from right here. And it looks like there's only like 4 pairs missing. Got some orange and black Dunks. I don't know, I was wondering that, I'm not sure. Size 9. We're at, oh, nice. How much do you think these are? $39, 40% off $39.
Sell for? Do you remember on what now?
Probably
15 or 20?
around there. Yeah, you should cop.
But it's like a winter slipper.
It's the Burrow.
Okay.
How much? 49, 40% off 49.
$20 off.
It's not bad. No, $20 off? 30.
Off 50.
Yeah, 30. Got some Golf 9s. For full price plus 40% off. Not bad.
These
not
are my
bad.
size out by them.
Really?
It might be. Isn't these women's? This is 11.
11, that would be a 9.5 men's.
Do you think this is women's or men's?
I don't know, it should say, look at the European size. It is a 45 European, not some men's. Yeah, 45 Europeans.
I would copy it.
They've had them for a minute, so they probably will have them on the wall. Okay, this is what I was looking at. I saw these Jordan 1 lows, size 10. A Baroque brown situation with the embroidered swoosh. They're all right. I don't hate them. I don't love them. How much for? Let's see. Probably full price, plus 40% off. Not terrible. You didn't like those last time because you didn't like the color. Oh, you like those?
No.
That's a size 5 though. Yeah, I'm not a fan. What are these?
That was a hiker.
Oh, ACGs? ACGs are nice.
I like this particular model.
I like the black.
I like the laces.
Oh yeah, you can like zip tie them. Oh dude, they got the mocks. And like a cool,
That's cool.
how much? Full price plus 40% off. Same price as the other outlets, but that's cool. They were a lot cheaper at the other outlet. I don't know why they're full 180 here. The infrared
Yeah,
sixes.
these 40. No, it's only back.
It's on the back wall, yeah. Okay, so behind the counter they've got military blues and 11s. 11, 11 and a half.
We got 11 and a half and 12 and a half.
Oh, no 9s?
No.
Cool, thank you. That would be fire if they had 9s. Okay guys, over here we've got Ambush Adjust Force SPs, usually 120. I think these ones are just straight up 120. These ones are 40% off, 169. Is that additional 40% off plus 169? What sizes do they have? 10 and a half, 9 and a half, 9, 10. Also got full force lows. Some decent stuff down these aisles. We got the gold and white Dunks, size 9.5, full retail. And then on the back wall, it looks a little bit emptier than usual, but I'm gonna take a look, see if we can find anything. Got some Air Jordan 2s, some up in the airs, size 8, 139. Are they also, yeah, 40% off the entire wall. That's so awesome. Over here we've got the Hyperdunk 2017s. It must have been a favorite. I mean, there was an off-white version of this shoe, but they brought them back out for $59.99. Used to be $125. I don't remember if it was like a good ball shoe, but it must have been if it came back out. Got a bunch of LeBrons, 99, 99. LeBron next gens. Some Phase LeBrons for 79. And then the LeBron 21s for 99. And this is a pretty clean colorway, actually. You got the purple for 99. And this like leather off-white color. Down here we got some Air Maxes. We got Air Max 97s. And this nice red, white, and blue colorway for 139. Air Vapor Max Pluses for 159, usually 210. I haven't found that like amazing thing yet. I don't know if we'll find it. Let's check the refurbished wall, see if we can find anything here. Bunch of these shods, been sitting here for a minute, 58 bucks. Got some KD16s for 80. These aren't refurbished, these are just standard, but still they've been here for a minute. Looks like it's about it in the refurbished section. Dang, looks like on the back wall over here, they've got 9s, the UNC 9s in a size 12, which was my size, I would've grabbed these. We still got the 3s and the 5s. I wish these at the outlets. I'd grab so many pairs of these. Got some color of the month Air Forces in oil green Summit White. I like these a lot if they were my size. I would definitely consider it, especially for 40% off. Wow, that'd be 40% off 109. That'd be a crazy deal. Okay, so in the women's section, we got some Dunk Highs for 119. Decent colorway. I was gonna call these Air Forces, but these are Court Vision lows. I need to get that right. I always screw that up. I never think the Court Vision lows are actually Court Vision lows. I always think they're something else, and they're always just Court Vision lows. Here we got some women's Jordans. We got Jordan 2s, 7Y69, 109 for these 13s. We got the Royals still for 114. Wow, not as many sizes left, but still kind of crazy. And then we've got these guys, Maroons for 140. Not bad. Full size run. Got some satin ones up here, 40% off because they're on the wall, 129. It's kind of crazy, size 12. Actually, that is a men's 10.5. Wow, 40% off, 129. That is a steal. This might actually be a pickup. This might actually be a pickup. Because I love these. I really love these. Hold on, let me just do the math really quick. Let me check ARBIT too. Okay, so 78 is what you grab these for at the outlet right now. That is a steal. If it was my size, 1000% I'd grab it, but it's not my size, so I'm gonna leave it for somebody else, but man, that would be a deal. That would be such a deal. Hold up, as I'm talking, I see my size right here for 129. Okay, this is happening, I'm grabbing them. And they come with a dust bag, what a steal. Okay, so over here, we've still got all of the Alma Maniers, the black and the white for 109. Not on the back wall yet, but they will hit the back wall eventually because there's so many pairs left. We've also got these Air Max 1s in this nice neon green colorway. Then over here you've got some 2s for 99, some 1s for 109, the Pralines for 129, and of course the Elephant Prints from 109. And then these guys were on this wall last time I was here, but they got moved to the back wall, so they're even cheaper now. So had to grab them. Couldn't believe I found my size. So I just checked this out in ARBIT, and these actually go for $100 on StockX, GOAT, and eBay, places like that. I got them for $77.99. I hate to admit this, but usually when I grab things from the Nike outlet, they end up being, let's just say, worth a little bit less than I usually expect. In this case, I came out on top, like 23 bucks, which is high for me. All right, so I'm trying a new mic setup here. I bought a pair of sneakers at the Nike outlet. I'm gonna get Josh and Osman to give me their best guesses, and the winner gets a free pair of socks. Yes, I realize they also are part of the sock company, so they have as many free socks as they want, but still, it's just for fun. I have a pair of sneakers in here, and I want you to guess how much I bought it for at the Nike outlet.
By the way, nice shirt and hat.
Thanks.
From where'd you buy it?
The Nike outlet. I literally just came from the Nike outlet.
I don't know what these go for. In like 2018, they went for like thousands. Not this model, but like the same thing. You bought them for $80 and they go for $160.
Hey Josh, what do you think they're worth and how much do you think I bought them for?
Like resale value right now?
Yeah, resale value and then what I actually bought them for.
I want to say resale value below retail. I want to say you got them for like 120.
Okay, good guess. So the exact amount I paid was $77.99.
$3 off.
Yeah, you got it. You won it. You won the brand new. Oh, and just for resale wise, they go for like under retail, like Josh said, so like $100. So I think Josh was actually right with the resale part, but you said 160, which I think is retail. So these socks release this Friday. It's hard to do it with one hand. On APTHCRY.com, a special pair that matches military blue 4s. Now I realize these don't match too well with the shoes that we just talked about, but these are the socks that are releasing. The military blue 4 socks. Grab them this Friday, APTHCRY.com, and this hat. See you guys on Friday.
So you guys already know, I took these to the Apothecary office, so everyone's seen them, and you guys know the price, but man, these shoes. So I bought my pair from the Nike app for I think full retail, and they didn't even give me the real box. Here, let me show you the box they gave me. They gave me this box, which I didn't even realize was an option when buying this pair of sneakers. So I don't even have the real box. Did it come with the, okay, it did come with the bag. It came with the accessories, but just not the correct box. And now I have the bottom half of the box. I don't know if I'm gonna switch this out or not. I don't know if it's worth it. It's not that big of a deal because I do wear my pair a decent amount. But to find this pair of sneakers for basically $78 is absolutely amazing, especially when these retailed for $180. Less than half the price of what these shoes originally went for. And the fact that my favorite colorway on my favorite shoe of all time, I got for 78 bucks is just, it's mind-blowing. Also, I don't know if you guys remember, but back in 2016 when the men's version of this shoe released, it was reselling for like $3,000. I think it still is up there, just obviously not as high as it was because the women's version just bombed. But I mean, finding this shoe at the outlet is crazy, and I have a feeling in like 5 years, this shoe is gonna be like an $800 shoe, and people are gonna be like, yo, I found that shoe at the outlet, and other people are gonna be like, no way, you're lying, that's crazy. But it happens. I mean, it happened with the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's. That shoe sat at the outlet for years, or a year. and now it sells for $1,000. It happens all the time. So a shoe like this, it just blows my mind that there are pairs sitting at the outlet. Yes, they've moved to the back wall, and yes, you can get them for an unbelievable price, but like the fact that these are still sitting, crazy to me. Let me know in the comment section down below which one of these pickups from the Nike outlet you like the best, and also if I missed anything, because I miss things all the time, and you guys do let me know in the comments, so continue letting me know on that, again, in the comment section down below. If you guys want to grab any of the sneakers from today's video, I've made sure to link them through the YouTube shopping tab on your screen. Also, don't forget to check out ARBIT, the sponsor of today's video, and the brand new pair of APTHCRY socks, which match with your military blue 4s, linked in the description below. But with all that being said, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you all in the next one.